Rightio, we're doing something different today. We're at the Woolwash, which is the back of Aids on the actually at the junction of the Georges River and Hares Creek. If the boat keeps spinning around, you'll see a bit more. You walk down the fire trail, little beach. I'll just behind me, and that's where we inflated the boat. And up behind is a Hares Creek. Up that way is all army land. All over here is all army land. So we're going to head downstream and see how far we can go. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. Bit awkward, we got through there. Let's see if I can get a good angle on this one. Through that one a bit better. Right, we're at the portage around that narrow little gap, and now we're off again. That's the bit we couldn't get through. I'm going to try this next bit. Rightio, that was the hardest section we had to do. We had to get round like 4 sections of overgrown rapids, very shallow, very narrow, and lots of trees. So I had to do a bit of bush bashing to get round them. Looks a bit open more now. See how far this goes. Oh, wait there, I think I know where we are. Oh, you kids jump off that rock. Yeah, so there's an exit track up those cliffs. You can go up that way. What's that? Someone else's flotation devices over there. Some kayaks over there. Some really good drift lines along here. People have finally discovered it's a good spot to climb. Got through that one. Right, this is another nice little beach. You can exit here if you want, and it goes up to Georges River Road. Bit of a walk.
Right, this is going to be our exit beat. You always tell exit points around here because there'll be rope swings and stuff here.